serious?
Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong.
The car is loaded. It wasn't fun. Definitely probably going to have to address that. That shit's getting pretty ass wrenching. But let's go. We're at fast lane, just pulled the car off. Those I'm buying. So after this, we're gonna head over to APP and they'll do the custom intake. We got the Skunk 2 Ultra Race manifold, the 74mm throttle body, all the custom hardware for the intake, the headers and the throttle body, and a bunch of other shit that's gonna go on like the rest of this week. It's been a customized ass week, so hopefully we could just keep everything moving. Then later on, about a month now, we'll send it back to paint body, because you know when you do all this work, paint gets chipped, shit, fucking damn ramps get ran into, so stuff happens. That's how fucked up your shit looks on the alignment machine when you got camber. What was that, the rear?
Yeah.
-3. Damn, I used a pair of calipers. I was close in the back, 0.2 off.
Yeah, that's
Up
really
front, damn, I was off like 2.7, 3.2. So using a pair of handheld micrometers is what I did to set the initial camber. I was only 0.2 off in the rear. It's off a lot though. Adjustable Skunk 2s.
Yeah, Skunk 2s, okay.
Yes, I think it's an H5.
So where are you thinking you want to go with camera? Get the other one to about 2.7 to match it?
Actually, I'm cool with the 3 point. I'm cool with the 3.2. Yeah, I'm cool with the higher number on all of them.
Okay, so we'll go 3.2. You want 8.3 then on this side?
Yeah, we can go 8.3.
And then I'll touch up toe and get it perfect.
Then toe is, you know, it's not bad, but we're gonna go ahead and get the toe correct. Like, he likes everything perfect, which is what I appreciate, because then you know your car's in good hands. They don't play around here. As you see the rack, you drive right up on it, so we don't have to worry about that.
Before I go messing with it, I want to see where you're at.
So we're pretty good. We are damn good right here, thousandths of an inch, dead on with the 8 and 0.1 with a little flicker here, so they know what the hell they're doing. So just like anytime you work on your car, nothing goes smooth in the way you want it. We had a pain in the ass socket head bolt that did not want to come out, but just like anytime you run into bullshit and you find out there's a better way, I'm already thinking about, I'm gonna have to come back here again so they can readjust the front, because more than likely I'm gonna go ahead and buy the PCIs. One, I never thought I would ever need and shit like that because I don't race, but it's not even because of the race application. It's just strictly because, one, it's probably a better overall product, and it has like 14mm bolts to adjust instead of these little ass socket bolts, which by far give you comfortable when you want to damn gorilla some shit. You can probably rest assured that it's not going to be fucked up. So I'm probably going to reorder those. Plus they come black, so I won't have to color match them, because I was going to color match these Skunk 2s, but now I won't have to, and they come spherical bearing, so it's well worth the money. So hopefully we'll get out of here, and then Harrison won't burn my fucking engine bay up with all the nice shit that I put in there trying to weld shit together. So we'll go from there. It's serious.
She's dusty. Sitting in here.
Oh my goodness.
Paint on it's flawless, so
Man.
it's just dusty.
So finished up here at Fast Lane. I gotta say, I just found an upgrade that I'm gonna do to this Integra. Like, I've already done a lot of upgrades, but I'm about to do another stage of upgrades on the front suspension again. After we already just did this stuff, I'm about to upgrade shit that I've already bought again, and it's probably gonna happen within the next couple of months, and you're definitely gonna see it. Is that right? Gonna. You're definitely want to see it. You're definitely gonna want to see it. That's a tongue twister. But It's going to be a game changer, especially for me with aired suspension going up and down and not wanting my alignment or toe or camber to change much when I'm in the positions I want. So we're going to be changing about probably 3 or 4 components on this car again, shit that's already been bought brand new, bring it back here to Fast Lane, and it's going to be a totally different video this time with seeing how much adjustment and stability I will have after doing this upgrade. Not to mention, had I known I was going to end up in this situation not having the trailer, I would have ordered the damn race ramps ahead of time. John put me on this shit. So now we're about to head over to APP. It's time to get this Ultra Street Skunk 2 manifold installed, the custom intake made, and all types of other good shit. So let's get to it. All right, so listen, I'm not happy about this shit. I'm pissed because it's happened twice this morning, and now this time was worse than the first time. That shit, I chipped the shit out of my paint on this damn thing. And that shit, all right, so this door has been getting abused throughout this whole process. I hit my painter up. He's like, don't worry about it, we can fix it. But it just fucking burns my keister to know that now if somebody sees the car and they're like, oh shit, it's hot, now you got this fucking paint chip, and they're like, oh, what happened there? It fucking blows. All right, so I'm here, got the car unloaded. APP, definitely responsible for putting the motor in, doing all nice little custom stuff. Part of the fam along with MPC too, so Wolfpack, MPC, APP, United, and Fast Lane when it comes to my alignment. I mess with very few people, period, when it comes to this car. But right now, Harrison is fucking late. Yeah, going out here doing this. Brittany's fixing pictures after Eric basically ransacked her camera, probably tore all the settings up. Harry's on this. Oh, hey man, what the hell is this? What happened to the damn RSX?
I sold it.
This man sold his RSX and pulls up in this. That's a lifestyle change. I don't know what's going on right there. What the hell made you get that? I like it.
Midlife crisis.
Midlife crisis. Wow. And there's sex in there. Hey, woo. It's like a family affair up here. I love coming up here. I just gotta sit for a little while. Let me get out of her shot. So now I'm about to get the parts out of the truck, get them in here.
Ready to see.
Get on my back.
You're okay. Go ahead.
Get on my back. Get on my back.
Get these parts in here, go over the rest of this stuff, figure out what else we're gonna need. Chill for a little while. Definitely get something to eat after this. Ooh, that's okay. And there goes the stunt devil right there. Custom shit going on here. Nationals, haven't seen that shit in fucking forever. Oh, look at this Hot Wheels setup. Oh, look at it, all nice rotor front out. Shit, Hot Wheels galore. If I don't fucking find an Integra in here, I'm gonna be pissed.
Oh, there's a lot.
So yeah, I gotta get me a Hot Wheels car made of my car. It definitely needs to be done.
Let me see.
Hey.
Found it, an Integra. Boom, right there. It's a damn shame. I should find a way more than one. That's the JDM version too. I wonder if they made a USDM. Meticulous, so meticulous.
Gotta clean it up,
He doesn't like dust on the floor. Look at that, he's just. That's the care your car gets when it's here. they're both meticulous in their own way. So like he's like doing his thing right now. So I want to stay back and let him do that. I'll go do something else because I'll get out of his way.
Boy,
Where you trying to put it?
boy, I don't know what I'm trying to. I guess I gotta flip it upside down. Hey,
So
you gotta
boom,
flip this thing
here's this
upside down,
NSX. Look at it.
bro? How do you?
Look at that. They're doing the motor work on this. But this
Alright.
is the big fucking secret. Check this shit out. Do you see that? Getting your ass whipped before you know it because you think it's just a regular NSX, and then before you know it, you can't even snatch enough gears before it takes off on your ass.
So they have a problem sometimes with the throttle sticking open.
All right.
So you basically are to right up where that return spring on the backside, you just move this hole over so it's tighter. Snaps it shut.
That's why he's the fucking professional.
Gotcha.
Because the rest of you guys are just installing this shit and you riding out.
Climb some hills.
Actually use something. This man is going crazy with this little truck. I remember when he first got it, the turbo he wanted to put in here was like half of the size of the engine bay. And now he's really doing shit with it. Look at this.
Oh, they go on the inside. All right, cool.
Oh my gosh. It's just all type of little golden nuggets up here. I'm telling you, at some point in time, you got to come out of your garage with this rickety Honda Acura shit. It's got to stop. It's just being real. We have to do better. Look, we got flat screen TVs. We got Hot Wheels on the, you see, I got a chair. God, look at this. This is the best view you can have right here. I'm sitting here watching a master mechanic. Masterful. And I get, listen, I get tricks. Look at this. You see that? That man is
that room behind you right
Evil
there.
Knievel. I'm telling you, he's like number 2 coming. You should see him on the dirt bike. I see him on IG all the time. This shit's crazy. But yes, got new toolboxes being installed. It's the best time up here. So as soon as he gets to a point where we can do some more video where the intake's coming off, new intake's going on, I'll get that on there. This is real life shit right here. This is real team player stuff right here. This is the team. You see that? She's got the Kindle Fire, assembling that, trying to make sure things say he's over here Loctiting. This is real. I'm telling you, this is family shit. You don't get much better than this. Big manifold is off. Old, new. Harry's gonna finish this shit up. I'm about to dip. There's a lot of other shit I could do. The car's in good hands. Yeah, and I gotta work out. This shit around here's got me wanting to work out. I had a donut. So yes, I dipped out early. Last thing you all saw is he got the old intake manifold off. I just got way too much stuff to do. Plus, the car is always in good hands with Harrison and Eric. Those are my bros, they fam. I'm not concerned about it. Plus, we're already gonna do a tune video anyway. So they'll get pictures and I'll put the pictures up on the Instagram page of the intake manifold install. They also will continue to do the intake custom makeup, fab work and install starting Monday. So there'll be more pictures of that up on the Instagram page. And then we're gonna do a dyno video, but at this point, there's just too much I could be doing with the family. I could be doing with the business, you know, right now dealing with all that stuff. So I'm gonna get ready to do a couple hours in the office, do some workout, and I'm gonna chill with the fam. And you should probably do some of that too. So other than that, the bill can't be your whole life, but it does consume a lot of your life. I'm out. We're gonna get back with y'all next week. Peace.
Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong.